test outline for Friday's test. So the first thing we did was rational equations. Excuse me. Oh, the test is all with calculator. I should say that at the beginning. For many of them, the calculator doesn't really do you any good, but you can have it if it, helps you feel better. A little security blanket there. Rational equations. 4 of those at 8 points each makes 32 total points on rational equations. There are some review questions from the last test. So that was rational graphs, domain, I think down the list there, domain, holes, vertical asymptotes, horizontal asymptote, slant asymptote, x-intercept, y-intercept. You're not going to have to graph anything, but it's similar to those multiple choice questions from the last test. So 4 review questions, 4 points each. That makes 16. Direct/inverse variation questions. I'm just going to say that makes a total of 32 points because some of those are divided into like pieces, so it's difficult to count how many questions there are because there's one question with 3 parts and then 2 questions with 1 part and whatever. It's 32 points worth. And then that leaves word problems. 2. Here's our word problem. At how many points each do they need to be to add up to 100 points?
30. 15 each.
Is that right? 32 plus 16 is 48. 48 plus 32 is
Ryan's accounting for the 100.
80. So there needs to be 20 more points to get to 100, which means they would be 10 points each.
He's giving bonus points.
He wanted a 110 point test. And on those word problems, I would say that one of them is pretty familiar and one of them is new. I mean, you should know how, it's just we haven't seen one quite like that. Various, I guess, in that blank. It's weird leaving it blank. 32 points worth of direct and inverse problems. So you're worried about the word problems, but there's only 2 of them. One of them is familiar and one of them is new. So I think we'll be fine.